Alright guys, final crossing of the Kimberly Combined Locks Tours. Here we are on Marcella Street. As you can see, we got ourselves a pair of Safetran Phaeton Type 2 LEDs. The base is a Safetran Systems Corp base. And the bell, which is over here, which I'll show you in a minute, is a Safetran Type 3 E-bell. And then we'll get across once traffic clears out. This never used to cross the highway, which is a very busy highway over there. I think that's Highway 41 or 441, my bad. There's one more car, so we can wait. He's coming pretty quick. And I guess while we're waiting, here's a wooden crossing grade. I'll let this guy go. And there's a FedEx truck coming now. There we go. Okay. And there's the relay case. I think that relay case was replaced because it looks pretty brand new. That used to be a lot smaller. Also, it was always like that. But I don't know. I'll have to look on Google Maps to see. Anyway, here's the other cross signal. This one does not have a bell. Looks like it needs a new paint job pretty soon. Those are also Safetran Phaeton Type 2s. Safetran Systems Corp base. And here's the dot tag. And that is 179987G. And then I guess I should show track views. So I forgot to do that again. Here is facing east. This goes toward Railroad Street, as you all know. As you can see, there's the... Oh, wow. They took out this track over here. Look at that. It doesn't go all the way down anymore. I guess they don't use that anymore. Interesting. I never noticed that. Anyway, this is facing west. This goes toward Appleton and toward the main switch, what we're not going to get to today because of, you know, I'm getting kind of tired because I've been doing this for a while now. But anyways, that's pretty much about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this crossing tour, these crossing tours. Just let me know, share it around, spread the word, and then we'll go from there. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned. Kaukauna will be coming out in December because there's a lot of crossings to get to in Kaukauna. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.